if B1 is greater than A1. Whereas in second or first column we are going to make what? What? Allocation. That is allocation means what? X22. Here it is X11. So X22 is equal to minimum of A2 B1 minus X11 in the cell 21. What happens if B1 is less than A1? Fine. So move right, move. So let me phrase it. Move to the right side horizontally. Means what? If V1 is greater than A1, move down vertically. If it is V1 is less than A1, move right side to the right side. This is the right side horizontally to the second column. To the second column and make second allocation of the magnitude, that is X12 is equal to minimum of A1 comma X1 minus B1 in the cell 2 comma 1. In the cell 2 comma 1. Right? 1 comma 2. In the cell it is 1 comma 2. Fine. What happens if B1 is less than A1? Move to the right side horizontally for the second column. Whereas here it is second row. Fine. Second column. So that we have to make the next allocation in the cell 1 comma 2. When B1 is less than A1. What happens if B1 is greater than A1? We make an allocation in 2 comma 1. If it is B1 is less than A1, we make allocation in 1 comma 2. So what happens if B1 is equal to A1? So you may come across a case where both A1 and B1 are same. In that case, there is a tie. What? There is a tie for second allocation. So what we need to do to go for the second allocation when there is a tie? In case B1 is greater than A1, we go for allocation 2 comma 1. If B1 is less than A1, we go for allocation 1 comma 2. But what is in case of tie? Fine. We make so the allocation is done. How it is done? So X12 is equal to minimum of A1 minus A1 comma B1 is equal to 0 in cell 1 comma 2, or X21, that is, or minimum of A2 B1 minus B1 is equal to 0 in cell 2 comma 1. So you can choose any of the allocations if there is a tie. If there is a tie, you can choose any one. Either you can choose 1 2 or 2 1, depends upon your intellectual stage. So the last one is step 3. What step 3 said? Repeat step 1 and 2 and 2 to moving downwards, the low tower downwards to lower right corner of the TP until the rim requirements are satisfied. Until the rim requirements are satisfied. So this is what the northwest corner rule. So once again I will repeat the northwest corner rule here. So at first, why we need to go for northwest corner rule is we want the initial basic feasible solution for the transportation problem. That's why we go for the northwest corner rule. So here is what. So step 1, starting with the upper left corner, that is this upper left corner, fine, which is called as northwest corner of the transportation matrix. So we allocate as much as possible so that either the capacity of the first row is get exhausted or the capacity of the first column is get exhausted. That is what x11 minimum of, we have to find the minimum of a1 comma b1. Fine, in the first row and first column we have to find the either a1 is minimum or b1 is minimum comparison. Fine. What happens if b1 is greater than a1? So we allocate cell number 2 comma 1. Next allocation. Fine. So what happens if b1 is less than a1? Then we allocate 1 comma 2. Next allocation. What happens? Both are same. So we need to choose either this. Either we need to choose 1 comma 2 or 2 comma 1. That is the freedom given to the programmer or the one who solving the problem. Fine. So this is what north. So we need to repeat this step 1 and 2 until all the rim requirements are satisfied. Fine. So once we finish all the rim requirements are satisfied, we get the initial basic feasible solution for that given transportation problem. Fine. Thank you.